Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how to fix due to location or some regulation the content you are seeing is restricted. If you would like to fix it, head over to your X application, then tap onto your profile. Expand settings and support, select settings and privacy. Now you tap on privacy and safety and then select content you see. Tap on explore settings and make sure show content in this location is turned on and then trends for you is also turned on. Go for search settings, make sure hide sensitive content is toggled off. Now sensitive media, make sure everything is show all instead of never show this. Make sure the show all is set to graphic violence, also adult content and other. You're going to have to reset your device, then launch your X application and see if it fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then you're going to have to simply mask your location. Try using a VPN and then start your X application and it will definitely work. Thank you for watching.